Every time I stream on Twitch, we have certain goals to reach, and if we reach those goals, we set off a cannon. Like this. Yeah. Oh! That was my last cannon. Oh! Shit, okay. 1, 2, 7. Just keep me on edge there. 3! Oh! Oh, it made a poof, but it didn't. Oh, look at the bulge. Did you hear the poof? Hello. Okay, next video. If you've seen some of my YouTube shorts, but fuck off. Hang on 1 second. No. It's a dragonfly. Dragonfly? What is that? This is daddy long legs. No, I don't do daddy long legs. No, go away. I don't know where it's gone. So what I'm going to do with this is line this up on my face and then dust a little bit of eyeshadow over the top of it. That's my alarm. Oops.
Should old acquaintance be forgot?
Okie dokie. So first off, please excuse my hair. I have maximum floof today. I'm not kidding. It's like, yeah. Oh. Hey, Sophie. Hi. Wait, how long have you been in here? Hello. We have a little cameo. What, did you bring me a toy? Oh, baby girl. Oh, thank you. You're a little skeleton. Thank you, babe. Oh, hello. Oh, there's some nunchucks. What? What are you trying to... Wait. Thank you, baby girl. Give me a little say hello. Give him up. Oh, here you go. Mwah. This is Sophie. Mwah. Sorry, okay, there you go, baby girl. Okay. Good girl. What? Bloopers. So you don't really want to work with too much at any time. This is the amount that I'm working with at the moment. We're just going to keep squishing it, making it as cylindrical as we can. And then when you've got a little wax sausage, we can... It's a wax sausage, sorry. What am I doing? Oh yeah, when you've got your little wax sausage, we can stick it to our face. I love a good sponge. Thank you, Grimace. They're really pretty. Oh, okay. They live on the floor. That's fine. I do love a good sponge though, when they're not flying out of my hands. And that is to take my Kroll and Bruise wheel. It's just a really nice wheel for bruising. Grandma got run over by a reindeer, walking home one night on Christmas Eve. Stupid little shit. So there we go, and my God, I feel so immensely sticky right now. So sticky.
From morning sun to night.
My hat fell off. I don't know how to pose for this. I mean, how would you be, if a reindeer just ran across you, if you're still alive, I mean, how would you act? Ow! Ow! I don't bloody know. It definitely hurt. You could, in theory, do this without the alcohol-activated colours. You could do it with cream. It just depends on if you're going outside, really. Like, when natural daylight hits, alcohol-activated colours tend to look a bit better. I don't know, that's just... Oh. Hang on. Yeah. Oh, fuck off. Oh, it's a slow birdie one. Oh, my God. Come on, any fucking day now. Oh, I think we're good. No. Oh, fuck off. Oh, getting angry now. My goodness, what? My fucking eyes are watering. Oh, fuck the tutorial. I'm not doing this today. Oh, my God. I hate hay fever. It can suck a big old fat nut. Oh. Oh, God. Okay, we're good. We're good. No, fucking not. No, I'm not doing this anymore. What year is it? Help. Oh, I can't stop. Okay. Okay, that's the last of it. Oh.